YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. So, I am trying mother of vinegar again, making it from scratch. Wild. I proved in the other video that you certainly can make it from raw organic cider vinegar with the mother culture in it. Now, I was talking to a subscriber who's called Candace H. Hello. And she happened to point out something rather interesting. Well, I thought it was interesting. She makes kombucha, you know, the healthy tea drink. And when she's making the next batch, she pours some of the old contents in the new one. Now that's not to inoculate it so it cultures. That's to change the pH level. And then it kind of dawned on me. I was like, so stupid. When I added in the vinegar into my alcohol, I changed the pH. It wasn't just the vinegar itself, you know, the mother culture. I also changed the pH of the alcohol. So maybe that is the key. I mean, I'm not sure, but there's only one way to find out. So what I've got in front is two types of lemon. I've got the squeezy lemon that you can buy because it's in most people's cupboard. I also have a real lemon, which again you can get in most people's cupboard, but that one's more likely to be there for pancakes and all sorts. So I've basically got two bottles, small bottles. Now I know we're supposed to use open wide neck ones, but I'm only going to be filling these up just a little bit in here, so there should be plenty of oxygenation and transference and osmosis and all the rest of it. It's not osmosis because osmosis is water, it's diffusion, so you get the right words. So I'm using my the same apple wine that I made before. It's just pretty simple really. I'm just going to pour in a glug. Just like that. And I'm also going to do it in this one. Now I have washed and sterilized these just so I can kind of rule out there's stuff on the bottle. Not that, you know, it's going to matter in about an hour's time when it's all aired. So here comes the fake one. So the idea is I want to change the pH. So I may have to do this a few times. The reason why is I want to come up with a reliable way of how to produce mother of vinegar so everyone can do it if they want to. So I'm putting the fake lemon in that one and the real lemon in this one. No real difference, but let's start with the fake lemon. So we already took a pH level, so it's around 6. So that's... There we go. Give it a swirl. And I've got my universal testing paper. So I'm just going to take out a glug. And let's see what the starting pH of this is now. I mean, this could just go horribly wrong, but I am curious. So already it has got a, it's pretty acidic already, so let's take a look. 3? Yeah, it looks like a 3. So I'll put that one there. So where's my pen gone? I lost my pen. Here's my pen. So I'm going to say this has a pH of 3. I'm going to put a picture up so you can see. So I'm going to put pH 3. And this is going to be our fake starter. Oh, I'm special. I wrote it on the wrong side. Anyway, we'll come back to that. By the power of magic. Whoa! So now we've got the real one, the real lemon. Now the reason I want to do this is just in case there's any additives in that lemon that this doesn't like. The culture doesn't like, I should say. Oh, I love the smell of lemon. It smells so good. Got my clean, washed, sterile container. One and should be using a chopping board, back me. So the reason that I'm squeezing it in here is one, it's going to be easier, and two, if there were any like chunky bits, I could just take them out. So in this one goes. Give this one a swirl. grab my testing paper once I wash my hands. So let's see what the pH is here. Trying not to touch any of the other paper to get anomalous results. So in that goes. And oh, look at that. It's not quite as strong as the other lemon juice. It has a pH of about 4. Yeah, I'm going with 4. So again, I'm going to put a picture up so you can see. So the real lemon, I'm putting a pH of 4. And in theory, I've done the same thing as I did on the last one. So we have returned, and like I said, the power of YouTube. So I have redone the labels, and they are ready to go on. I did them on bigger labels. So as you can see, the real lemon, I'm going to put the label on. This has a starting pH of 4. And the fig lemon, which is a lot easier just to pour in, has a starting pH of 3. Now the idea is, hopefully, all the other bacteria and stuff doesn't like this pretty strong acidic base, basically. All we've really got to do now is just stick a bit of bog roll on it. Gotta love a bit of bog roll. So literally I'm just going to do that. I mean, it doesn't need to be airtight because we need the air to get in. So I'm rather interested to see the results of this, to see if the pH has made any difference whatsoever, or have we just made another 2 batches of moldy crud. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it gives you some ideas, and of course you can keep updated so I can just keep failing until I finally succeed, and then you can do it without having all the failures. Don't forget to rate, comment, like and subscribe, and of course share. Sharing is the thing. Sharing is caring. So I will catch you in another video, guys. Take care.